Weather can change how kick-in-proof door hardware fits and performs, often within a single season. Temperature swings cause metal to expand and contract, so when installing reinforced strike plates, and longer screws start by measuring jamb and frame gaps at both the hottest and coldest expected temperatures. Use fasteners made of rust-resistant stainless steel or silicon bronze and apply a thin layer of corrosion-inhibiting compound on threads before driving them to reduce galvanic corrosion when different metals contact. Seal exposed recesses and the joint between plate and wood with a flexible, paintable exterior-grade sealant so water cannot pond behind plates and cause rot or lift the fastener over time. When drilling pilot holes, choose slightly smaller drill bits than the screw root to ensure maximum material engagement without splitting, and countersink only as needed to keep hardware flush while maintaining full thread purchase. If installing in high humidity or near salt air surfaces, add a sacrificial barrier such as a thin stainless steel shim between the plate and the frame to prevent dissimilar metal contact and check that door clearances allow for seasonal swelling so the lock bolt still travels freely. Finally, torque fasteners to manufacturer recommended values and then recheck after 1 month and again after 6 months to catch early movement from settling or seasonal shifts. Common mistakes start with using ordinary steel or zinc-plated screws that rust quickly. Swap to rust-resistant alloys and apply corrosion inhibitor to prevent failure. Another frequent error is failing to allow for thermal movement, which can bind locks. Leave appropriate clearance per the door and frame material specifications and adjust strike plate position if binding appears after temperature changes. A third issue is poor sealing that traps moisture. Remove old paint or sealant, apply a continuous bead of exterior-grade sealant around hardware edges, and inspect annually to reseal any cracked areas. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide practical resources related to door security and climate impacts on hardware. Our community discussion boards let us and other members share real-world experiences, installation tips, and contractor recommendations to help both homeowners and contractors find the right projects.